Have you ever heard colostrum being called liquid gold? There's a very good reason for that. This remarkable first milk is one of nature's most powerful gifts to a newborn baby. Colostrum is the thick, yellowish milk produced by a mother's breasts during the first few days after birth. Although it comes in small amounts, every drop is packed with incredible nutrition and protective benefits. Many new parents worry that the baby isn't getting enough milk because colostrum is produced in such small quantities. But a newborn's stomach is tiny, about the size of a cherry on the first day of life. The small amount of colostrum is perfectly designed to meet those early needs. What makes colostrum so special is its high concentration of antibodies. These antibodies act like your baby's first immune system, helping protect against infections, viruses, and harmful bacteria while their own immune defenses are still developing. Colostrum is also rich in white blood cells, growth factors, vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Together, these nutrients help support healthy growth and development right from the start. Another amazing benefit is how colostrum helps mature a baby's digestive system. It coats and protects the lining of the intestines, making it easier for babies to absorb nutrients and reducing the risk of certain digestive problems. Colostrum also has a natural laxative effect. This helps newborns pass their first stool, known as meconium, which can lower the risk of newborn jaundice. Even premature babies can benefit tremendously from colostrum. Research has shown that it can help support gut health, strengthen immunity, and improve overall outcomes for vulnerable infants. Some mothers may find breastfeeding challenging in the first few days, and that's completely normal. The important thing to remember is that even a small amount of colostrum can provide significant benefits for your baby. As the days pass, colostrum gradually transitions into mature breast milk. But those first precious drops play a critical role in laying the foundation for your baby's health. So the next time you hear someone call colostrum liquid gold, you'll know exactly why. It's not just milk, it's a powerful, natural source of nutrition, protection, and support designed specifically for your newborn's earliest days of life. Thank you for watching Pump with Harper. If you found this information helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more evidence-based breastfeeding and baby care content.